So why the Keys? Why I'm curious, you know, and is it popular? Is it popular for mostly for a second home? People from South Florida wanting to come down, or because I know we were talking before, you're wanting to, you know, raise the family and all of that. Is that becoming the new norm as well for that area?
I think it's both. I think the Keys have always had their, you know, as I'm looking at properties and talking to owners, people are like, oh, my husband lived in Key Largo all his life. I grew up in Key West. And, you know, so you get that group of people that have always been down here. It's a small town. When I drive from the office, if I go to the office and I drive in at 6, 7, 8 p.m., I'm like, it's a small town. Everything closes early. It's quiet. A lot of people can't commute, even now with the COVID changes. And so they have to live in Miami, but they can afford the property here and do vacation rentals. So you get a mix of both. And yeah, what you said is we went from thinking this is going to be a second home purchase down here to, I'll give you the timeline of it. So a few weeks ago, the VA rates went down to the low twos. I have a VA mortgage on my single family home in Miami. Just the way that I think, I was like, man, what if I refinance that current one to a conventional loan? And now I get my entitlement back. And now VA, you can do jumbo up to $1 million with the zero down. Again, back to my hold as much money as possible with the lowest rate as possible. So I'm buying a house down here under $1 million, 0% down. It's an area that's more family oriented, and I'm even getting the seller to pay most of my closing costs. And you know, low twos. We're going to commute on the days that we need to commute. Schools here are amazing. 13-to-1 student-teacher ratio. I never knew. So yeah, so I think outside the box like that all the time, and I do it for my clients too. If they come to me and they're like, look, I'm thinking of these different things over the next several months, I actually sit there thinking about these people when I see that type of property, and then I'll send them a text, like, oh, good idea, thanks.